Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to cover how to link your Calendly account to your calendar and set up an event. So before you watch this video, you should have already received an email with the login and password. We already created your Calendly account, you just need to confirm it. So go ahead and jump into your email. The email address on file that we registered this should have been the one that you spoke with your sales rep about that you wanted your calendar linked to. So go ahead and jump into your email, look for the email, says please confirm your Calendly email address. We'll go ahead and click on confirm my email. Once it does that, it's going to say thank you for confirming your email. Please go ahead and log in. In the email that you should have received earlier should have the password to your account. If not, it should be set to local leads 1. So we'll go ahead and type that in. Oops. There we go. Once you jump into the Calendly account, we're going to have you do two things. You can go ahead and click on View Start Quick Start Guide, or you can go up here and click on Quick Start. Either one's going to work. The first thing it's going to have you do is connect your calendar. So go ahead and click on Connect Your Calendar. It's going to bring you to the screen and give you 4 different options. Now, traditionally, most people will use a Google Calendar. A lot of corporate accounts use Gmail, just like we do, as our hosting place for our email. So if that's the case, you just go ahead and click on Connect. If you're already logged in, it'll do it for you. If you have an Office 365 account or an Outlook account or an iCloud account, the only thing you're going to need to do is click on either of these buttons. It's going to click you over to this screen, and all you're going to need to do is put in your iCloud email address, your Outlook email address, or your Google email address. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and click our Google Calendar. Give me 1 second as this signs in. It's going to ask you which account that we would like to sign in here. And we're going to go ahead and click Allow. And that's it. It literally takes just 2 seconds to link your Calendly account. So the second thing we're going to have you do, we're going to go back to the dashboard as soon as this loads. And we're going to go back to Quick Start, and we're going to set our availability. Now, when we do that, we're going to go into event type. It's going to bring us here to event types, and we're going to choose our 15-minute event type. For any quotes, this is the one that we're going to edit. So go ahead and click on the settings here, this little wheel. Go ahead and click on edit. Now, what type of event is this? What we're going to do is we're going to rename this to Quick Quote. Makes everybody think, we're going to do this fairly quickly, obviously. Next, we're not going to add a location. We're going to go right down here and click Save. Next, we're going to, when can people book this event? This is where you can set your hours of operations, from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, or 7 days a week. So you can go ahead and change that if you'd like, and then click Save and Close as well. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to ask the questions to the invitee. So when they're booking an appointment with you, what questions do you want from them? Well, the basic ones that we ask for are just name, email address, and then we're going to go ahead and add one new question, which is their phone number. Now, the reason we're going to add their phone number is because when they book an appointment, we want to remind them about the appointment. So we're going to not only send them emails at the email address they provide, but we're also going to shoot them text messages. So go ahead and type in phone up here or phone number. Either one is just fine. We're going to go down here to answer type and just scroll right down here to phone number. Go ahead and click that, and then click apply. Now you can see we have all 3 questions, their name, their email address, and their phone number. You can add other questions if you like. These are the main 3 that we use. Go ahead and click on Save and Close, and that's it. Now you're done. Now if you go back to event types, we can see that we have the event type Quick Quote right here. You can go ahead and click on the Settings tab again and click Copy Link. And when you do that, you can go right up here, click on paste, and boom, it's going to walk you through just like a client would to go ahead and select a day and time to set that calendar or that appointment to get the quote. So really quick, guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out. Those are the 3 things that we need you to do. Just go ahead and confirm your email address, link your calendar, and set up your event, and you're ready to go. We'll talk to you soon.